A lot is happening in South African football right now. Bafana bathola ama visa wabo bafikile Mexico asazi basazodlala lana nale team bekumele badlale na eJamaica ngapi Kaizer Chiefs ba announce umjida but Chiefs the team haven't confirmed ukuthi this guy is really a head coach Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates are releasing players, they signing players, Kaizer Chiefs are signing players. Stellenbosch ku market ba busy ba sign ama player pheka yonke leyo mess sokhuluma ngayo khona manje namhlanje ngiphethe uLerato. We're going to break it down for you so ngena ngayo topic for topic. And when all you need to do go comment section, let us know which player you think needs to move to which team, and let us know how far you think Bafana will go World Cup. What do you think of Safa? What do you think of Bafana playing 12 players against the team engaziwa yazi negamala basibazi Nicaragua only for them to play draw? Bafana bafethu useless noma kwenzakalani. Lerato usharp ntwana.
Kike wena. You're good.
Mr. L. Kishap ntwana. Dilotse re baya aribu. Ke bona team ya hao. While rather the assistant coach Sohan.
I thought we closed that chapter when they took those two translators to say they are gone. Then we're gonna start afresh with a new coach. But the remorelente,
hi. Arjwe this coach, like for someone who's watching who doesn't know, because Batubaba Ngabatsibilori Nana Naspanali Nabi. Tell us who the coach is, where he's coached, what he's won, and then also let us know how far you think he'll take Kaizer Chiefs next season. Should he be their head coach, of course?
Fernando the coach, remember, he came Lenabi. As a technical team, and then 2 months prior, then he decided to say, Nakatama. Before the contract ends, remember, maybe and then it was like that because to time level contract is so fell. Then Nabi at Quebec, Ben Youssef le cards, then story for another day. So coach offered Namtu. I don't think is a coach teammate on the Chiefs. Do you see how the Chiefs it's so big? So it need coach so for me, when I'm actually the stats I'm told him to 120 matches, he won 48, he lost 36, he draw 35. So for me, I think he's an average coach. According to stats Sakai. And it happened to him more coach and 2 months. Ukocha 2 months atamaye, akocha 2 months atamaye. But another thing, ula coach as far for 1 year or so, then you won the league there. But for me, I'm not even convinced because I'm thinking we are going to deal le motho loring. Na ke bona Ben Youssef le coach le secretary is the very same thing because they work together.
Yeah.
So when starts Sahaye, it doesn't give me something loring next season we are going to compete. But re tla mo fa chance re bone go tlo tsagalang.
This guy wa fitla. A lot of people are trying to compare him to Abdeslam Moado Orlando Pirates. But Babangata Baria Mara when Oadu came near Samtsebi, he hadn't won a league anyway. Mara, look at what he's done, Orlando Pirates. Do you think Mchita Onakaza Mahuetza what Oadu did Orlando Pirates? Is it even possible given the structure so Bonango Chiefs?
But remember Oadu Fitile ko Pirates, Riwaka Timilo in structure already. So Jose Rivero, he built something and then Oadu take it from there, he continue it.
Yes.
Well, we understand. When it comes to Chiefs, it's a different story. It's a different story. So I don't think it's fair to compare Abdeslam. I don't think so. And another thing, Abdeslam to Sokori, whatever PSL was coaching Marumo Galant. So it was going to be simple for him. How about me so parity? The player taking while
Marlo white Ziba PSL, like Kirki Mutlil Nabil, 2 months, white Ziba PSL, what did Ziba the locker rooms at Chiefs Zikokai? What is it about the toilet?
But the players, remember 2 months I'm talking about Mtoloring, Ufitli, the players, the chemistry was not their relationship in the Sikomo, Abaitamel. So do you think I'm talking about a miracle? So I don't think I'm comparing the world. It's a two different things. Two total different story.
Now I just think with everything that's happening with Chiefs, management their Chiefs, I see they supported Sabona Siras. But the lady supported Sabona Siras. And Wahupula they supported Kitsona by Lebala for Stuart Baxter to come back. Abuya Stuart Baxter, Ashapa almost Operation Kokagonke. Ambura winner everything that season. Sometimes the supporters see the game better than Tubaling Hurbonaba behind the scenes. And Libo Hugo Bruce that's or Bajur Fagalo, because now we see better and lead the game Radichev.
And then what try defense coach.
Understand. How do you feel about the sporting director, the management, the Chiefs? As supporter Yabona, when our Bona, the way Balsaraga feel.
Why I'm saying that now I think they took this guy to control him because Chiefs cannot do this. Like bamkile guy, Fernando bamkhutsitse mntu to bam control to say you're gonna buy players. Let me make an example. Mloisan bamrekile before Fernando to Khuza bate. So it gives us the what? Oh, you are doing the very same thing later over the years to say we don't have a coach, but we are able to buy players. We understand. So I think they are feeling us rebuile ra complain ra striker to say we want coach o loreng o tlo gona gore a gone etsa a gotlise di glory days ba fetu. And then I told of Pizzo like Pizzo or ke mang o Mangoba Nciti, but we are back to squad. For me, I think we are back to square one. Next season, number 9 position. Ntware mduseve clip. I'm telling you.
Nkulu fitlile le chicken dust.
Oh, kasi guy.
Fike nokudla kwaseThembisa.
So yeah, that's the case, Shim. I don't think we're gonna compete. Kaka ena coach o. And I'm worried about the style of play that we are playing. I thought there's places wrong, understand football, and all that stuff. So I know that technical team I had. And my worry is this: what if Funarando translator this thing is a petting for me.
Yeah.
Why?
Like at this point, Chiefs Khanta Chiefs hasn't let go of Nabi.
Thank you.
Management their Chiefs I saw they haven't let go of Nabi. But to the way Baratile Nabi got everything there is to do in Nabi they is trying to keep teaming Ray citing or anything associated no Nabi. So
Fernando athlete translator ba ga go language. Bamfa 2 games or 3 games ba gone. Banki the assistant it's a pattern and I think kinto to etsagalang. So internally Nabi it's not broken. When I thought when you safely Katsabatamaya, we close the chapter, we start afresh, but I think we're back to square one.
Hi, no. Arboga Matlo. Ke gopola matlo ke la trend a etsa nthwele ya mokoko ela nako Pirates fetso ever since then dilo tsa ha zang da ba sharp.
But mtu wa re tlogele Panther aside, let's talk football.
Yeah.
Matlo since after go Chiefs, will be a problem with injury. Since after go Chiefs. And Matlo is not a bad player. You remember the time we were playing with TS Galaxy, Baba Rope Gulia, Rona Silva, I Korean, assisting. So that's where you see, and it's game say too. So I think maybe didn't give a Abamfa game time. Capo, the injury but now come release at the Telabanye, Apavanya space. But Yena is not a bad player. I don't know. He knows football.
So Yena yeah, he's a very good player. No, Lena, I don't take it away from him. Yena unzuembu umnati wadlala, but I just feel like playing overseas doesn't mean to survive ako Chiefs. Also tshwantse re chebe gore dlala overseas o dladile overseas ko kae. Mono dlala ko teng no dlala team e yang. So wa understand o ka se njwetse gore no dlala overseas maybe dlala Magesi ya ka kwa then o tla ka mo South Africa tlo dlala Chiefs. You don't know what it's like to play under pressure. From overseas no sabi no sna pressure ona because team ya how ba tsebo gore ba mole ko relegation zone anyway. So I think the biggest issue ka di scouts tse dingata tsa bo di Chiefs le bo di Pirates they look at lo muntu lo buya overseas asimthatheni. Do you ask yourself for lapho makhona bekadlala kuphi bekadlala kanjani bekayenzani was he a favorite molecule thing utlogona impress di supporters tsa Chiefs senang patience
same as taba ya Khanyisa Mahayo. And
exactly.
Now we are expecting to say he's going to help us in the team based on the experience at Zonko and Kusiar. But when he came here, it was a disaster. So yeah, it makes sense into Ibonko.
Thabo Cele, how do you feel about him ever since afitlile go Chiefs yena o nahana re ntseng for the team?
Problem ya gae ego ya gae. There's a problem about him. He's a good player, but o sentse ka go batho iketsa coach, but ile player ko ground. For me, you understand? Because neru utwa ba re ko ground a yena ba to train. Aba mtotsa go hey mutho mdimta train says, "No, I'm not going to train." Aba to trainer. Aba tlo laola di coach go di etse. Ale ba la primary job ya gago, o tle as a player, you must produce, contribute in the team. So sometimes the behavior when I'm do, it's very important as a the soccer player to say this thing must align. So ke na gore le yana ba mo release mtu with a thola mtu mo moleko ko mbizeng a tla re thusa.
Last week we buile ka Thabo Moloisane it seems Baumamate it's looking is it confirmed gore tla go Chiefs?
Confirmed. That's the first transfer that we have.
So how do you feel about him?
Very happy. I wanted this guy very happy. And guess what? Before ke tlo tseba Eden wa tsama, you remember. But now because space inside Eden o to kena ngwana wa DTC ana dlala ko Botswana, Kolani Kos, I don't know you know him. You know yeah, he was loaned to ko Botswana na dlala likele ka mole. So o tonka space sa Eden, ska Eden at Amail. And then Mloisane I think o to thusana le Quinic. I think they are similar. Ba dlala bolo tswana mali. Babo. So re to phumula ke Mkwele Msimang wa nyane ge.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy and I'm heartbroken ka Eden Utsamaile. But it's a good opportunity for him. I experience to say but at least if Kolani Kosa bamfa contract there, o tlo ba replacement ya Eden ke grant
oh ke left footer
ke left foot
okay Mfano Serino go tsagalang
okay Serino is a good player but I get Serino na chisa ko Sundowns guys ha tla ka mo okay una na le di games mo le bonang go re thusa le batho ba but I think Serino gape a se taba go re ke age like le age se tsamaile mo because ne re bua ka number 10 lo reng o batla o dlala o batla yena and remember if you are in that position go ena o tlamehile o dlalise team as a whole wabo so Serino I think mntu tlamehile ba mtetele that's why I was saying to you last week we need a number 10 there mutho a tlo go assist mntu shabala you remember I said that
yeah.
So it's a time go Serino ba mtsamaise get a proper number 10 o tlo gona a thuse mntu I think re tlo ba sharp
Ndana awunahani hore it just crossed my mind Mchita o Chiefs or the new coach abama announcing because the club hasn't confirmed anything
Yes,
awunahani or maybe Utla is an assistant mara the club could still announce someone because it seems Manqoba Mnqitili Golenaros ngathi uthando liyaphela lapha awunahani hore maybe basaka announce Manqoba Mnqiti Chiefs and then this guy be assistant guy
yeah but it's possible ne but now I'm confused I'm getting confused there Fernando Le Cruz utla technical team yae and then in the statement they say there are 2 South African people obatlo sebetsang le yena so ka ba confused ganyana then I'm fun to go say hi man meaning this is the coach maybe ba le ba itu ba to assista yena ke mang coach o Fernando bo le technical team yae but maybe they twist it over there along the way a retse but if man ngoba ngitse abateng le nna bona be
because remember this guy how cheka CV ya gae I'm not sure which team it is but can never correct if you do not learn Ogantus when he left Chiefs or khona le team akila isia to be a technical director not the coach so what if Chiefs are bringing him on board to be the technical director and then Kena that will foresee maybe Manqoba Mnqiti and someone else as a possibility nyana lona yo
it can be possible and
would you like that to happen
yeah not go ene be head coach like by coach it's not
Chiefs it lost struggle
so at least Manqoba Mnqiti mntwa etsa ke you know his style of play from Golenaros and you understand so re tla re dila le mothatse ba PSL is already play and Manqoba Mnqiti into ke rata he believes in young players compared to the coaches that we had gore ba to tjotsa gore umfundo ngeka ngene usasemncane we are protecting him ke dula ke tso ke we need a coach lo go believe to our young players ba ba kenya but gradually bo so yeah I think if Manqoba Mnqiti ka ba teng go tlo ba sharp o tla assist ge maybe Fernando ge ka ba grandimo
which players should Chiefs sign for next season
and they want to transfer market go
Mathiwa no Pirates ayidlala wayibona lona for Pirates
ba Stelling Bosch ka for bomthiani gone you see so because re na le Mloisane at the back now re na le replacement ya Eden we can go to Richards Bay and look like you Gomete ba teng wa bona re ka ya go Richards Bay re shebe but next year still man you know Kevin Antu o tsamaisitse di 13 players tele le ring vele ne le khoya team and then in Ekamere pick mo but Pirates came first banka mo lobo but now the only thing e patlang go ibona le DDC re kopa ba renkele maybe 3 players or 4 players then ba mix gele ba promote
Stellenbosch sikwatile wa mano adala I think matlo tlo ba sharp ko Stellenbosch I think he's going to do well ko Stellenbosch and remember hatswa ko Chiefs so as go rufedile injuries laid him down so afitla ko Stellenbosch he still has a point to prove tsantsa bonse the South Africans why here to come back why South Africa had to believe for Randwana was a kaya and play for a big team and Stellenbosch is also a big
meaning
team
Kevin is building a new team because
yeah
mtholo dilisitse ka ofela but the question is this you take Blom from Vietnam masadlala umtholi mole ne matlo obviously ke into go shong injury in and then there's a possibility to say to breeze wa khutlela da but no nka confirm lona go ke binola ntube hore sometimes given anti the players eding maybe o tseba go di coacher o tseba di tladis maybe philosophy ya ka style of play sai di tlo tsamela le tsona di players but if it's like that re tla bona next season go re tlo msebelesa but mtu 13 players
I think Kevin Hunt is one coach that believes in experience. Udlala experience. That's why amathile anka ndalilubusa. Ubone hore I need experience if I'm to compete for anything. Yeah. So now I believe in philosophy of Kevin Hunt because sometimes ke gopola le Benson Mhlongo ke la cha le mo studio. Are the season when just before Pirates to win a league, Pirates signed a lot of players, but on teaming never fit to win a league. So what those people did, but at least that experience who win a league by hand over to the other players, then it was easy for those players who by the sharp. Bolibusa but all la kef. Bonda by to win a cup. One understand. Bomatlo banal experience out overseas. Mjabulo Blom, also overseas. Washisa. So Wanswar, Marababu Mokai, why balance a Kevin? Nahana Batala Libo Devon Titus Batuba, Batlo Stellenbosch. And if they sign Mabasa, Bankali Mabasa available Musaina.
Mabasa is not going to be signed. Right now.
Yeah, Barakiri was also linked to where they moved to Chiefs. If I join you, move your thing.
Mabasa don't go Chiefs because I can't know what's the coach the striker they can help. Because remember the football revolved. Also, you got number 9 to boxing, you're not a member of the ball. You want them to him Shapan, you want them to have him Shaping up the slam, whereby system up the slam, Nessa Alain.
Yeah.
So you want to him Shapan. But Yanakiri is a good striker, but you don't system. That's the problem.
Done. The biggest headline, got the transfer news. Orlando Pirates have decided to not continue Lisi Pombuli.
Hey,
you know what
I want to say? Like, we know here in Omni, we are really dependent on all the stuff. Let's put that aside. Let's speak to motivate the player to understand in that situation. Okay, Sipombule, we're not going to say it live. Everyone knows whatever, from Sundowns to Skukuna, but I think for me, Pirates, Liena. Automatic revolver career high to say the mistakes like in Kukune, taking some Sundowns, Eric is going to repeat. Let me grab the opportunity, redeem myself to be a better player. Like he's talented, but problem he behave. So the question is this: Pirates Samunka is based on the behavior, or they decided to say we are not going to renew your contract because statement in Sabana about why Babas renew your contract.
It can't be based on performance or talent.
Thank you.
But also, I think the biggest issue that we have most South African is I wonder why some you would say by the analysts are on a condition coaches what. I don't know if the team said in but I think every team turns ability psychologists are telling her when you see that a player is misbehaving, saying for cancelling or before you can even release the player. What if Sipombule, maybe Orlando Pirates have pasted ways later because of what he does off the pitch, Mara, what if him not getting game time contributed to what he's doing off the pitch? What if everything that happened go AFCON and then coming back, Hugo Bruce announcing squad Lalang against Panama, Haba Mutisaka Sipombule, Abu Edilutse Tadibuang. What if Dilutso Kofla di Kene go Tlhogong and Adikena go Tlhogong Motho a bona Razin Chutilang Tandwa, I'm not wanted here. So there's a lot enough fun that happens behind the scenes. Eleng gore the team don't come back and tell us, but bona batlo jotsa fela gore ramotloela. But let's hope Sipombule is going to have a good run go swelele. But now personally, I think Orlando Pirates is making a mistake. Ka go vaisa Sipombule.
Big mistake.
They need creativity. Thank you. They need Mutho khona go control the midfield to tshwana le Sipombule.
And let's hope bottom replace ka Mtholoring.
Wabona? Because so far, wabona Mbatha umnati. Bona take nothing away for talent but Orlando Pirates doesn't have a number 8 that can read the game with Limbul. Each time I can, Orlando Pirates neidlala. Every time I can, and like he used to come down, na at least a tempo game and then attention it moyena. As much as Owadu nabatla rekopili all the time, Marsipombule na khona ukena tshware ball attention kaofela itle moyene, then adla disebatu. He didn't create a lot of chances for Orlando Pirates, yes. Mara na khona ba go build up eleng gore go tlotsa di goal le dilo tsa di bia.
So do you think gore no tame ba mfe enough time like for next season? So
I think yeah.
Bona potential ya gae gore king twa kai from Pirates. Then I think he needed go ba ka mofa another chance for me.
Yeah.
I thought go ka mofa chance le game time go gone go mbona. So e ka go tlele ntho a ke dlale. Ya ke go tlo go understand.
What happened to AFCON? Go AFCON when the whole country was expecting him. Social media haba batho ba bua kena ba re umnandi uyalazi ukora nini uyalazi hasn't scored dilo tseo tse re bia.
But the advisor Klumfanyona, if they move to Swelele, I think that's the last move for him.
Yeah.
So he must redeem himself. I redeem it. I make sure he has an opportunity about Mfayon. If he has I grab into 2 ends because after Swelele too, I think Mtole Polo to Kapata Malabo NFT. For me, if I can opportunity about Mfayon Kosole, I see we're not natural.
Example, Eshmfetudi Padi player telling Hore. they had so much potential, but they ended up disappearing go PSL. Masibusa Nizongo, lena nalele the issues of the field. Wabo, mara move ball yo dilo na de some to no one or magician. So now my concern is Sipombula skagcina tsona libona bo Masibusa Nizongo bo Jabupule, like the list is endless. Bol Rato Shabangu, but how many chances did these guys get? You know how many chances has he gotten? Kaufela babari chose the chance. Sipombule signile ki Sundowns ba Mulona and then bamu release. He only had 2 chances. I mean the Orlando Pirates is the first chance that he got. Khornban buye gaming. That's the first chance he got. Sayako Swelele, that's his second chance. So let's hope Mole, if he does go to Swelele, of course, let's hope Mole utlodlala sha putloba grand. What's happening more go transfer market now?
We have Pirates signed who's this guy man? Wako Swelele. Ki Lungu or Kema, the one that is making Lungu. So they signed him. So I don't know how do you feel about him, because Nekim Shabakoswell is a good player, Okonodala is a striker, Okonodala is a winger. But for now, I don't think he material Pirates. For me, the way Nekim Bonatala season Kaufela, but apparently he's going to Pirates. So active kilo Mshewela, or it's the first time he
I think the issue but Pirates the Baboni Hore against Devon City. Bafetika low block against Orbit College, Bafetika low block. So, but they need more creativity. So, I think Kutlo add on to creativity. At least that's one Lebom Sendami. I think it's better than Bom Sendami Libodiong. Not to fit a Bom Sendami Libodiong.
We got Matuludi. Now I thought Matuludi to Yako Sundowns or maybe like a move. Look what Chiefs are getting about.
Yeah.
Pirates, but now it seems like Pirates to Munga. But it's a good thing for you guys.
I think now Hatlako Pirates Matuludi.
It
means Batlokonu push Spelebele go pele. Yeah, he's gonna have to play as a wing because Matuludi I feel like Matuludi kitino fa Android Kiswele Spelebele akasi benchisi Matuludi go right back. Ole he's a natural right back. I understand. And the game setting regists into Hormfetuluna convert a player from an attacker to a defender. So Tanzamate up and down Yamthula to a woman. So Spelebele Lena Utlo Eda to attack. When Pirates can't score goals, we know Horar Chaba benching, Bencharuna fit into Imbo, Singafago Spelebele, Singafagulungu, Singafagoban. I think Matulu
it'll be a healthy competition then.
Yeah, it's gonna be a healthy competition. Although Mvana Nafana, I'm a big fan of Dino Van Rooyen, but it's gonna be a big competition. I wouldn't be shocked that Kautla Barbamulun. I wouldn't be shocked that Kautla Bamulun.
Let's talk about your play. Kabelo Dlamini.
Yeah. So there's a rumor called Orlando Pirates. I don't know if this is true.
Yeah.
Khuru renewal contract to Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
Kabelo Dlamini. Khonali rumor. I can sure if it's true. But why it's Pirates eventually batlo announce, and if it is true, Pirates, I think it's a good thing for Yena and it's a good thing for the team because now I feel like I saw Arso Fates again. That's why I get Limbulia Sata Kilabana man Kilumenama and then Kisarki Kichaba sighting then when I saw the plate or Lotata the plate take out Matiso Angai Tilenyama. I don't think we are done Kakabelo.
I know why 2 Sakalo based on loop local loop.
Yeah,
I'm talking with
we Kakile Elias Saint Lupo coming from the bench.
I do not a million Amufe chance over season, but I can once about limit. To active limiting guy, me will not enjoy it. I can say that thing, cast or something.
Lena Nekimakit, Kimona can say cast. Asadal.
Hey, you Asadal.
Huturbam Shelaga Patugo Jiming.
So strong,
Huturbam Shela.
Yeah, that thing.
Huturbam Shelaga Patugo Jiming.
But if Bam for contract, let's hope if Wadu Atamai, Kushatang, Amutadis pays on because the team Tanata, when you are playing with Pirates, but Basita Pekake, but so that's why we need but what's on Albocalo, Cabello Lamini. So,
yeah, that's my while about strike. Arbueka country, Bafana. Balendi Lego Mexico. Obviously, maybe more Kabal thing, but Tomuchima from Tume, Bahoni to Kisedit. Are these people ready for the World Cup?
Let me start about the preparation first. Preparation from the first time, it was like nearly totally wrong. Those people, I don't think they were preparing to a right because not on Sunday, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So we'll end on Sunday in an purpose to say you go there, see the weather is wrong, and you hope so that Mexico, you are ready for all that. So there's a delay. What is going to happen? You're going to be affected. Yes. So that's why most of the time they say players prior before. So that you don't understand the weather the job
jet lag, so to recover. Yeah.
now we are under pressure re fitlene we landed well na kwa gone se fitile kere so se le pressure go tla me ba adapt and all the stuff and next week we are playing so the preparation je ne di wrong ba ntse mistake sera but Safa le yona kere tla me be accountable for all of these things that is happening
batho ba dladile ka batho ba 12 against Nicaragua
mtu
ba hloleya go ja ba hlola ba le 12 Nicaragua ya thula ya relaxa ba dlala ka more players they still couldn't score ba tlo korang ko World Cup ba paletse o koro ba le 12
mtu o shebile batho bona bana na ba tsebe na ba le awe go ba 12 ka account or nje na ba dlala fela because of what dlala
na for na but ka ba blaming more ne number 1 the player that was supposed to be substituted ne number 2 the player that was coming on why asalata o ba substitute nga monjetso rintana phuma senyangena then keep blaming the referee again when there's a substituting ko football it's either like bolo itswile or gidi what and then game stops I am olo phagamisang ntwele ba tshore number 10 for number 5 motho atso atsene so o ba mo substitute ngwa ya satswa and then number 2 Hugo Bruce udutsile na chebella di players ha ba dlala ba le 12 number 3 team manager udutsi these are the same mistakes that almost cost us our place go World Cup phela bafana mfethu ba intse mistake ba dlalisa tebo mo kwena sa tshwanno dlala ba faila ku ntsha di visa tsa di players tse ding kanako
I know that o tlo go bona go whatever is happening to Safa it's a pattern I always tell people gore a re tlolela tebo re tla fita mo mtu you remember banyana go tsa they were supposed
coach.
to get paid again they didn't get paid remember there's a coach Lena they didn't give him contract
yes
you remember what happened
yes.
I'm coming there was a COSAFA match na kwale bankile bo mdu bankile bo duba you remember you know those players azang ba patala kanako I can't remember the player lenka ngoputsa atsamaya aya ko andile ko Metro FM and complain to say guys ne re dlala tournament ya COSAFA we didn't get paid 3 months prior mdu ke batla go setsa before go fita o tebong kwena wa tla ya tebong kwena they are tenya yo le card so hence I'm saying it's a pattern aya qala o tebong kwena back then you understand go sure Safa ba gana dinto ka tsela engwe re tabenya di visa now so who's supposed to take accountability to all of these things
re go tabenya di players tse 12
gape se re tabenya di players tse 12 and as fans are bua mo it seems like we are disrespecting Safa to say you are not doing your jobs guys
yeah,
you are not doing your jobs
and
you get paid for that you understand so it's a matter of saying as fans re to dula re complain it's our right because re rata bolo ya South Africa batla bona re tsa dintho tse better wabo so now the question aka ke mtune whatever happened at the visa le me I expected gore minister I say something there's someone there I'm not saying people must be fired but you know something o tlametse gale gore whoever who was responsible for that thing gore anke accountability it's either maybe bam fine or we get fired we get another person I can say we bona jwa
now I think the first thing Fitzus usually magmoshagele it's from the top it's from the top oka thom go class tshwantse thome go dwim me go class number 1 Danny Jordan useless tshwantse tlomole office ya gae ka ofela ba useless tshwantse ba tlowe mole ke mang team manager bafana useless tshwantse tlowe le ena mole and then retail coaching staff because clearly technical team leona is failing the players but technical team le bona netlamele ba push ko di mori di ka di visa here are the players that are going where are the visas you understand so the structure sa ko Safa is useless and the structure se le sa ko Safa is an embarrassment because no ba hlazi country etu the country tse ding di chebile mo le ba re tse go re bonang ba batlo tlo dlala World Cup mara dilo tsa bona dina order ba tlo etsang mo next thing re tla utla ba re gona le place nang di Cox but utla mo le ba re gona le play kening ka teki ko ground ngwe dlala di ka teki tsa di asasna di Cox mas
but who's responsible for this thing now I'm saying this too after World Cup there are some changes that need to be done there and there are huge changes there are some changes need to be done hire people who know their job not go re to fetola Safa be political party because for me I think go ana politics mo le instead of go bat ba tsem sebetso bona it's because they don't want us as fans to raise our voices to say whatever you're doing guys it's very wrong how bua ba tshotsa go ke ngobata wena ba lo ira mo then wa bona ntwe wena mtu so Safa they must do better la ba ka ba tsamisa ka ofela the end I was saying to you mtu gore na I feel gore as fans re le so le gona botlame ba change molao gore le gona re vote le gore batama ibe mamole ibe president because delegate tsa bona apparently Kim Taiwan every season Kim Taiwan where else le mtwa teng wa re fail
you know what's funny
you
know what's funny ka ofela ntwe ya di visa ya Safa le watwana a gona fene one yanko World Cup e kila complain gore yona ina visa so ba prioritize tsa defense le do support bo mangmole
And now
So defense le ro support abo mang mole.
And mara nna ntho makatsa mntu bona go batho ba ba etsa msebetsi hele mkhelele ke yo kana thola visa today or yesterday I'm not sure hele mkhelele
Utlang fela.
Yeah.
Na assistant
Imagine.
coach who's supposed to be there. So
Yeah.
I think we have a big issue ko Safa and the whole country we have to stand up to school men. We can't keep quiet
How
sibona
do you
kanje
have
lemes.
to do it?
Teni Jordan a khutlelo lo ba politician. That's the thing. Abona the moment lanka di politician la ba kenya go bolong ya rona.
Ke ona
O tlo
mathata.
tlisa politiki, o tlo tlisa di corruption tsa bona tsa politiki le di what because
sa
mole
rana football,
arsa rana
no. Ha e sa le
football.
football
Seli
association.
political what no. So for me the solution find former players. Bo Lucas Khatebe ba tsiba
Le
polo,
Dr. Khumalo
bo
is
Dr.
there.
Khumalo ba
You
tsiba
understand?
polo, Jomo Sono. Why tsiba polo? Or simple whoever's running the PSL must run Safa. Once.
Even 2-1.
Even 2-1. Whoever's running the PSL must run Safa once, even 2-1. I never retlo ba le di problem tse so. Utla iskhale ba tlo re bafana ne ba tswere ke mala, ne ba sna hotel shop, ba robetse ko di motel, ko Sky Kai mole. Ba robetse ko motel mole ko Sky Kai, go fita di gangster ka di thunya ba wa bona.
Remember these people, I understand that bank is qeta o sponsor. They were fighting for this man. But they were 3 members of them. Ne? Balwanela chelte. There was a video, everyone knows that. We understand. So abona go mole it's all about gore rona re batla o thola something a sa rana association e ka tsela e right ile re ngitlo benefita rona as South Africans all of us. Webo? So again e gutla le minister wa rona. Guys, as I always ke jotsa batho gore minister le ena ha batla rona re respect re ska mbua ampi when you are sitting here have the platform. He must do the right things. Firstly, when you come to media bua ntolo go iretse yona mtu ska fetolo be ba batla ba content creator bona we don't want a content creator we want a minister.
Yeah.
You understand? Ulora ba mbele mo in the podium who will speak sense to us into re utla not a content creator where else when on camera you speak into tolo reng rona di sense. Number 1 ke yona technical problem ka. Number 2 holy minister some of the things when I'm to say you're not supposed to involve yourself everywhere everything. First Gaten McKenzie in el taba ya Sundowns you say Kadoso o tlomtshwarisa hey wa tla mabue PSL jwa and all the stuff. We understand. Number 2 some of the fans they feel gore he favors Pirates most of the time because go Twitter ke rona lo ngola ka Pirates not. Okay, o minister a re ba totse ba go favor do your job. We don't want to know who favor. And rona bo lerato so where you got the platform we're going to address you to say whatever you're doing it's wrong. It's very wrong. Stay in your lane. Do what you're supposed to do as a minister. Not to turn yourself being a content creator like us. We can't, my guy. No. Unless if you also we'll find someone else to be a minister. A person that we can respect him. Yeah, I'm too.
So our country will continue to struggle when it comes to football until Federation ya rona ya polo is sorted. So number 1, we must sort out Safa before we can even expect Bafana to win an AFCON, before we can even expect Bafana to win a World Cup or even make it to the knockout stages of the World Cup. However far Bafana can go right now, congratulations Bafetu, ama players amila pushile. Everything. Hawakajiwa Bafana ki blame Safa because Safa ke one tutsing Hugo Bruce atella le di players tsa rona. Safa ke one ntitseng di visa lady, Safa ke one it's a ring bashiman babatu baloba dulisa mole and then in front of millions of South Africans watching bachebile squad announcement Safa was there batutsi botito libos mangmang in front of millions of cameras machita basala. So Safa is the problem.
Like a window. Did you see them when they are announcing the players your batwale by 6 basa na bashebile ka window. Imagine how embarrassment is. Those people have families. We understand. Yeah. I'm not saying you were supposed okay end of the day no tla mo bele batho ba ba kgetha but that thing I can understand. Na I thought go wena party. It was necessary. Necessary mara ntona ba entse.
No, nesi necessary.
And then I go ranta re premium squad for in. Re tshwetse go go tsama batho ba ika and then we move. Wabo so ba batla le etsa party president be teng ibue a ke tsebe from nim president a go ntse ba ka ball.
Yeah.
So that's
all.
E tlo etsang gore rona ba bang real address will address you guys. Nzo stolela ai.
Bafethu nizwele ukukhulumela usisi. Uyalazi ibhola lo muntu. Gokunye ukhuluma amaqiniso kokunye wena uzositshela ukuthi ama facts. All we want is the best for our footballer. Silina muntu asateki muntu. All we need you to do is listen to understand. Don't listen just to react. Ngoba listen and look reactor. Uzosibamba out of context. Uzocanga ukuthi siyazonda. Kanti we are just saying the things that people are saying outside in the streets. Izinto ezikhulunywa emasaluni, izinto ezikhulunywa emaspaza shop ukuthi wa umuntu osoyenza sona yenza so. Safa sicela improve neko kusijwayela. Lerato ukarkwala yona ndana.
We know me. Thank you.